Using your Affirm Debit card in store is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Ensure your Affirm Debit card is active. Before using the Affirm Debit card in store, make sure it's activated and linked to your Affirm account. You can do this through the Affirm app or website. Load funds onto your card. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your Affirm Debit card account. You can load money using a linked bank account or by transferring funds from another source in the Affirm app. Make a purchase at the store. When you're ready to shop, head to any store that accepts Visa or MasterCard. Simply go to the checkout, and when prompted, insert or tap your Affirm Debit card on the payment terminal. Authenticate the payment. You might need to enter your PIN for security if required by the terminal or provide a signature for the purchase. Confirmation. Once the transaction is processed, you will receive a confirmation on the terminal. You can also check the Affirm app for a detailed transaction history. Use Affirm financing options. Some purchases may allow you to split payments over time using Affirm financing options, depending on your available credit limit and the store's policies.